Hello friends, welcome back to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn about the minimum required circuit for the ESP32 Wroom chip, and we will also learn how to program it using the Arduino IDE and a USB to TTL converter. This is the minimum required circuit diagram for the ESP32 Wroom 32 module. In this setup, the ESP32 chip is powered using a 3.3 volt supply connected to the VDD pin with the GND pin connected to ground. The EN or enable pin is pulled high through a 10 kilo pulled up resistor, and a reset switch is connected between the enable pin and ground. Pressing it resets the ESP32 chip. Similarly, the IO0 boot pin is pulled high using another 10 kilo resistor with a boot switch connected to ground. Pressing this button while resetting puts the ESP32 chip into bootloader mode, allowing you to upload code. To upload code to the ESP32 chip, we need to connect the TX and RX pins of the ESP32 chip to the RX and TX pins of the USB to TTL converter, respectively. We also need to connect the GND pin of the ESP32 chip to the GND pin of the USB to TTL converter if we are using an external 3.3 volt power supply for the ESP32 chip. This is important because the grounds must be common. If we do not connect them, the code will not upload properly. I have created a small ESP32 chip breakout board, and you can see its schematic here. In this schematic, I have connected an AMS 117 3.3 volt voltage regulator, which allows us to power the ESP32 chip or the breakout board using a DC 5 volt adapter. I have also added PCB headers connected to the GPIO pins of the ESP32 chip, making it easy to connect various sensors or output devices directly to the GPIOs. You can see that I have also designed the breakout board and made its PCB at home using the etching method, and I have soldered all the components. If you want the PCB layout of this breakout board, you can download it from the link provided in the description. If you want a complete tutorial on designing the ESP32 breakout board, let me know in the comments and I will upload the full tutorial. Now I am connecting my breakout board to a USB to TTL converter according to the connection diagram shown on the display. I have also connected the breakout board to a 5 volt DC adapter. Next, connect the USB to TTL converter to your PC or laptop. After connecting, open the Arduino IDE. Once opened, select the correct port and choose ESP32 dev module under the board options. If you do not know how to add the ESP32 module to the Arduino IDE, you can watch our tutorial by clicking the I button. Now open the serial monitor and set the baud rate to 115200. Press and hold the boot push button, and at the same time press and release the reset or enable push button. After this, you will see the waiting for download message in the serial monitor. I am using a simple LED blinking code for testing. You can write the code yourself or you can download it from the link provided in the description. Next, click the upload button in the Arduino IDE to upload the code to the ESP32 chip. After some time, the code will start uploading. Once the upload is complete, disconnect the USB to TTL converter from your PC or laptop, and you can also remove its connections from the ESP32 chip. Now connect an LED with a 220 ohm current limiting resistor to GPIO 13 of the ESP32 chip. according to the circuit shown on the display. Now after connecting the LED, connect the ESP32 chip or breakout board to the power source. Once connected, you will see the LED blinking, which means the code has been successfully uploaded to the ESP32 chip. If you liked this tutorial, then do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more of our upcoming interesting tutorials.